Hey guys, I just want to do a quick review for you on this ACDC power adapter. If you're like me at all, you like misplace these things all the time. I know I tend to have these and put them places where I'll never misplace them, and then I always can't find them when I need them. Well, I was actually looking on Amazon because I needed to find a replacement adapter for my ring light, and I came across this one with the adjustable voltage here. And I thought it was a pretty cool idea. I was a little nervous to use it at first because electronics, they're really sensitive, right? So you can really mess your things up. But I went ahead and tried it. So my ring light that I used it on requires 15 volts. And you'll know that by reading your electronics. So you want to make sure, like I said, to be really careful before you use it, that you actually understand what your electronics require, because you don't want to overload them, because it has a pretty wide range. So you can adjust your voltage all the way down to about 3 volts and then all the way up to about 24 volts, it looks like. So this one goes to about 24.6 volts. So you want to make sure you don't overload anything, but I actually was able to very easily, very successfully use this with a lot of the things at my house, including the ring light that I originally bought it for. So it requires 15 volts. I set it to slightly under. I think I went to about 14 and a half, 14.6 volts, just to make sure I didn't like damage anything. It comes with all of these different attachments. I mean, I haven't had any reason to use all of these yet. I mean, it has your normal like USB-C stuff, and I mean, just all your different types of prongs for various things. So I've had really good luck with it. Like I said, I was nervous about it at first, wondering if it would work for my things. The only thing that I would warn about is using it like on your computers, just because they're so sensitive. I mean, I haven't used it on mine, but certain things I don't really want to mess with. Like I said, I don't want to take a chance on hurting my computer. I don't fully understand the voltage input and output needs of it, so I didn't want to use it on this. I'd rather just buy like whatever the branded adapter is for that type of device. But lots of other things I think it's definitely good for. Like I said, I've used it on my ring light. I use it on LED power strips. I did use it to charge my phone also, which, I mean, that made me a little nervous too, but I did it and it worked fine. So I just say it's a really good product. Just be careful that you know the voltage requirements. But other than that, I mean, if you're looking at something like old games or old like cameras or things that you can't find chargers for anymore, or power adapters for, this is definitely a really good product. If it's something you want to have stationary on your wall, it has like holes. I mean, you could mount it to your wall if you want to. It just depends on your use, but I am happy with it, and I am happy that I bought it, and I do recommend it.